Hey guys, we are back again with another Quick Shocks tutorial. This is a quick walkthrough video that's going to help you set up, subscribe, and save discounts that will eventually help you improve conversion on a product detail page on Amazon store. Without further ado, let's just dig into the video. I do have two cases to show up to you so you can relate as per your case. Now, this is one listing that shows subscribe and save discounts similar to what it is as of the product actual price, it shows right here, one time purchase. And I do have another case right up here that shows up subscribe and save discounts with a bit of a discount percentage right up there. Now, there is one common mistake people usually do is that they set up a coupon which does not show subscribe and save discount exactly as up here. It's going to show up a subscribe and save discount as a coupon in that specific case, which I'm going to show you how it's set up, but which is not the right way to do if you want to aiming for a discount that shows up like that, which is the ideal form or the more accurate form of setting up a subscribe and save discount. Now, what people do is that they usually go to the advertising, they went to the coupons. When you create a coupon, I just go up here, you can see there is a subscribe and save section. This was set up a subscribe and save coupon up here, up a bar as it is in case of a common any sort of coupon that you set up here. So it's not going to show up a subscribe and save discount down here as it goes up here. So if you want to set up a subscribe and save discount that shows exactly like that, all you need to go is you need to click a growth tab to explore programs. Scroll down till you see increase conversion and you will see subscribe and save section. So click learn more. Right, so this specific section is going to show you all the eligible products. Now, this specific product as of now does not have any of the offer up here for discount. So that's why it's not showing any of the discounts here. And it can be seen up here that the seller fund discount is 0% at this specific. Now, subscribe and save is an auto enroll program. So if you want to know about the eligibility, you can reach out to the Amazon support team. They're gonna explain to you what it is, but we're not taking our conversation to that as of now. So what you need to do is you need to click choose seller for a discount, and you can select the percentage of discount. So for this specific SKU, for example, if you want to go with 10 percentage, I'm going to click that 10 percentage up here and click confirm discount, and that's it.